Hello guys, you are welcome back to Aso Rock Vibes TV again, and in today's video we are going to be discussing about the top 10 richest people in Africa 2020 and their net worth. So guys, if today is your first time of watching or you have been watching our videos and you are not yet subscribed, please endeavor to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notification so that each time we drop a new video you are going to be notified. In case you don't know, we have rich people in Africa. Yes, people who live in luxurious houses, mansions worth $15 million, $50 million, people who ride the latest Lamborghini, Rolls Royce, Bentley. We have them in Africa. People who own skyscrapers in Africa, people who own private jets in Africa. So in today's video we are going to be discussing about the top 10 richest people in Africa, and all of them, their net worth are in billions of dollars. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's get right into today's video. We are going to be starting from number 10, 9, 8 before we get to number 1. So guys, stay tuned, and also make sure you give us a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comment section. The number 10 richest person in Africa 2020 is Patrice Motsepe, and is worth $2.1 billion. Patrice Motsepe is a South African mining billionaire businessman of Swana descent. He was born on the 28th of January 1962 in Pretoria, South Africa. Patrice is the founder and executive chairman of African Rainbow Minerals, which has interest in gold, ferrous metals, base metals and platinum. He is the non-executive chairman of Harmony Gold, the world's 12th largest gold company, and as of 2012 he became the first South African billionaire, and currently he is worth $2.1 billion. Number 9, we have Naguib Sawiris, and he's worth $3 billion. Naguib Onsi Sawiris is an Egyptian billionaire businessman. He was born on the 15th of June 1954 in Cairo, Egypt. Naguib Sawiris is the son of Onsi Sawiris. He is the chairman of Weather Investments, and he is also the CEO of Orascom Telecom Holding, and as of 2020, Naguib Sawiris is worth $3 billion, making him the 9th richest person in Africa. And number 8, we have Rabiu Abdul Samad, and he's worth $3.2 billion. Abdul Samad Isiaku Rabiu is a Nigerian businessman. He was born on the 4th of August 1960 in Kano State, Nigeria. Abdul Samad is the founder and chairman of BUA Group, a Nigerian conglomerate concentrating on manufacturing, infrastructure and agriculture. He is also the chairman of the Nigeria Bank of Industry, and currently he is worth $3.2 billion, making him the number 8 richest person in Africa. Number 7, we have Mohamed Mansour, and he's worth $3.3 billion. Mohamed Mansour is an Egyptian billionaire businessman and former politician. He was born in 1948 in Egypt. He is the CEO of Mansour Group, a $6 billion conglomerate, which is the second largest company in Egypt by revenue, with over 60,000 employees. Mohamed Mansour served as Egypt's Minister of Transportation from 2006 to 2009, and as of 2020, Mohamed Mansour is worth $3.3 billion. And number 6, we have Issa Dribrad, and he's worth $3.9 billion. Issa Dribrad is an Algerian billionaire businessman and the CEO of the Cevital Industrial Group, the largest private company in Algeria, active in steel, food, agribusiness and electronics. He was born on the 27th of May 1944 in Algeria. In 2020, he was sentenced to 6 months in jail for tax, banking and custom offenses, and currently is worth $3.9 billion. And number 5, we have Johan Rupert, who is worth $5.9 billion. Johan Peter Rupert is a South African-born entrepreneur. He is the eldest son of business tycoon Anton Rupert. Johan Rupert is the chairman of Swiss-based luxury goods firm Richemont and South Africa-based company Remgro Limited, a company that was founded by his father in the 1940s. As of 2020, Johan Rupert is worth $5.9 billion US. And number 4, we have Mike Adenuga, who is worth $6.5 billion US. Chief Michael Adeniyi Agbolade Ishola Adenuga Jr. is a Nigerian billionaire businessman. He was born on the 29th of April 1953 in Ibadan, Oyo State, Nigeria. He is the owner and chief executive officer of Globacom, Nigeria's second largest telecommunication operator. He also owns stake in Equatorial Trust Bank and Conoil. As of 2020, he is worth $6.5 billion US. At number 3, we have Nassef Sawiris, who is worth $7.1 billion US. Nassef Onsi Sawiris is an Egyptian billionaire businessman. He was born in 1961. Nassef is the youngest of Onsi Sawiris' 3 sons. His brothers are Naguib Sawiris and Sami Sawiris. He owned stakes in Adidas, and in 2018, he became the chairman of Aston Villa FC. Nassef is into several other businesses, and currently he is worth a whopping $7.1 billion US. And number 2, we have Nicky Oppenheimer, and he's worth $7.4 billion US. Nicholas F. Oppenheimer is a South African billionaire businessman. He was born on the 8th of June 1945 in South Africa. Nicholas was formerly the chairman of De Beers Diamond Mining Company and the Diamond Trading Company, and he was also the chairman of Anglo American. As of 2020, Nicky Oppenheimer is worth $7.4 billion US. Number 1, we have Aliko Dangote, who is worth $10.1 billion US. Aliko Dangote is a Nigerian billionaire businessman and philanthropist who is the founder and chairman of Dangote Groups, an industrial conglomerate in Africa. He was born on the 10th of April 1957 in Kano State, Nigeria, into a wealthy Muslim family. He is the great-grandson of Alhaji Alhassan Dantata, who was the richest man in West Africa at the time of his death in 1955. As of 2020, Dangote is worth $10.1 billion US, making him the richest man in the whole of Africa. Thanks for watching this video. Please, I would like to hear from you. Tell me what you feel about this video in the comment section, and also please give this video a thumbs up, and also please endeavor to share this video to your friends, to your loved ones on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Twitter. So guys, see you next time. Peace. I'm out.